Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dr. Speak Now. I'm David, here with Anna. Welcome to Day 8, the start of Week 2.
Hello, everyone. We made it to week 2. This week, we're going to step out of our homes and into the real world, the world right outside your door.
And where better to start than with the people right next to you, your neighbors. Today, we learn how to meet them, greet them, and build a friendly connection.
A kind, friendly neighbor can change your life. A quick smile, a warm hello. These little moments build real safety and comfort in your home.
By the end of this episode, you'll be able to introduce yourself to a neighbor with confidence, chat for a moment, and leave a warm impression.
Have you ever passed a neighbor and wanted to say something, but the words felt stuck? Don't worry. After today, you'll always have the right phrase ready. Let's begin.
Let's talk about why meeting your neighbors matters so much. Neighbors are the people who live closest to you. If you're friendly with them, everything about your home life gets easier and safer.
Exactly. Think about it. A friendly neighbor might collect a package for you when you're not home. Water your plants when you travel. Warn you if something looks strange. Chat with you on a lonely day.
And here's the consequence of staying silent. You live meters away from these people for years, but you never really know them. Every day feels a little colder. You miss out on friendships that are literally right next door.
But a small, brave hello can change everything. Some of the best friendships in the world begin at the doorstep.
So this is a small skill with a huge reward. Let's learn it. Let's look at common mistakes.
Mistake number 1, saying, I live in next door. Careful, we don't add in, just say, I live next door. That's the natural phrase.
Mistake number 2, introducing yourself too quickly. Some learners walk up, say their name, and rush off. Slow down, smile, say hello, then say your name. Give the moment a little warmth.
Mistake number 3, being too formal. Some beginners say, Good afternoon, madam. I am your new resident. That's very stiff. With neighbors, casual and friendly is best. Hi, I'm your new neighbor is perfect.
Mistake number 4, waiting too long. Some learners live somewhere for months before saying hello. The longer you wait, the more awkward it feels. Say hello as early as you can. Day 1 is fine.
Mistake number 5, expecting a long chat every time. Sometimes a neighbor is busy or in a rush. A quick hello and a smile is enough. You don't always need a full conversation.
Easy to fix, all of them. Let's learn the phrases, step by step.
Step number 1. Hi, I'm your new neighbor. This is the perfect first line if you just moved in. Simple and warm.
Step number 2, I live next door, or I live upstairs, or I live in apartment 4B. A quick location detail helps people place you.
Step number 3. Nice to meet you. Always add this. Warm and polite.
Step number 4, how long have you lived here? This is a lovely follow-up question. It shows interest, and neighbors love to share a little history.
Step number 5. Let me know if you need anything. A beautiful, kind offer. It says you're a good, helpful neighbor.
Step number 6, the polite exit. Well, I have to go now, but it was nice meeting you. A warm goodbye is the perfect ending.
Step number 7. A nice extra. A quick offer or gift. Some people take a small gift to a new neighbor, but you don't need to. Just a warm hello is more than enough.
Let's hear it in action. Anna, you're my new neighbor.
Hi, I'm your new neighbor. I live next door. Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you too. Welcome to the building. How long have you lived here?
I just moved in last week. Let me know if you need anything. Warm, natural, and complete. Beautiful.
Mini recap. Hi, I'm your new neighbor. I live next door. Nice to meet you. How long have you lived here? Let me know if you need anything. And the polite goodbye.
Home exercises to build the habit.
Exercise number 1, the introduction line. Practice, hi, I'm your new neighbor. I live next door. Out loud, 5 times, with a smile.
Exercise number 2, the full first meeting. Say the whole conversation out loud, playing both roles. Hi, I'm your new neighbor. All the way through.
Exercise number 3, the offer of kindness. Practice, let me know if you need anything, out loud, 5 times. It's such a warm sentence to have ready.
Exercise number 4, the mirror smile. Say your neighbor introduction to the mirror. Watch your face. Is it warm and friendly? Match your face to your words.
Exercise number 5, one real hello. Today, say a simple hello to a neighbor you haven't spoken to before. Just hello and a smile. That's a big, brave step.
Consistency over perfection. Small, warm actions build strong neighborhoods.
Let's talk about the feelings.
Challenge number 1. I'm too shy to knock on someone's door. So natural. You don't have to knock. Just start with a smile and a hello in the hallway, the elevator, or the garden. Small, low-pressure moments.
Challenge number 2, what if they don't want to talk? That's okay too. A quick, hi, I'm your new neighbor, nice to meet you, is enough. If they're busy, they'll smile and go. No pressure. You planted the seed.
Challenge number 3. I'm not sure what to say after the introduction. That's the beauty of step 4. How long have you lived here? It gives them something easy to say. Or you can talk about the weather. Simple topics work best.
So don't give up. One warm neighbor conversation can change your whole living experience.
A few useful words. Neighbor, a person who lives near you. Building, a large structure with apartments or offices. Hallway, the corridor inside a building. Move in, to start living in a new home. Try one today.
3 quick questions. Answer out loud.
Question 1. What phrase means you live very close to someone in the same building? Question 2. What kind question can you offer to a new neighbor? Question 3. What small question shows interest in their story? Excellent!
Let's recap. Hi, I'm your new neighbor. I live next door. Nice to meet you. How long have you lived here? Let me know if you need anything. Warm and complete.
Week 2 starts strong, and you've now taken your English out of the house and into real life.
Our question for you. Comment below. Do you know your neighbors? Say hello to one this week.
And please like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Speak Now.
Keep practicing, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next episode. This is Dr. Speak Now.